Check out this customized 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off Road. It looks amazing in midnight black and is adventure ready with the addition of a TOYTEC Lift Kit and 17-inch fuel alloy wheels with all-terrain tires. Around back you'll find black roof rails, a TRD exhaust tip, rear privacy glass, LED tail lights, a rear spoiler, and tow package. Opening the hatch reveals a spacious cargo area that offers loads of room for your gear, a security cover, and 2 power outlets. Off-road enthusiasts will love this 4Runner's purpose-built look that includes a Toyota Heritage grille, a hood scoop, and running boards. Inside the cabin, comfort features include Softex leather upholstery with silver trim and TRD branding, automatic dual-zone air conditioning, cruise control, power windows and locks, heated seats, tilt steering, a leather-wrapped wheel, push-button start, a power moonroof, and an AM/FM sat radio display audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. There's comfortable seating for 3 in the back, a passenger center console, and fold-down rear seating for additional cargo capacity. There's no shortage of power with a 4-liter V6 under the hood, mated to a 5-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. The 4Runner is a great adventure vehicle, and we've made this one even better. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located at 1200 Leithhead Road in Kelowna.